guys, what's up? Today I'm here with Worldnewhair again. I got everything in this bag here. So I got the wig and let's see what else we got in the package today. I have a wig cap, information card, their social media and everything listed. Got another card. I got a pair of lashes. I got like a scarf saying Worldnewhair. I got this. I got extra elastic band. I got a headband. And that's everything that came in the bag. So today we're working with some inches. And this is a water wave wig, curly wig. I'm excited because you guys know I love my curly hair. This is a 13x4 lace front wig from Worldnewhair. Nothing is done to the lace, so I feel like I'm actually gonna go ahead and, you know, tint this a little bit with some like foundation or something. Yeah, because definitely nothing for, you know, a longer lasting tinted look. You could definitely just go in and bleach it, tint it, all that good stuff. It's 180% in density. And yeah, it's 24 inches long. Don't think I told you guys that. It definitely looks very true to length, so I love that. It is pre-plucked. That is nice. Always enjoy a nicely pre-plucked hairline. The inside has 4 combs in total, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and yeah, that's how it looks.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you.
So you saw that I was adding some foundation to the lace just so that it can blend better after installation, and the size is perfect because I prefer when it's larger than my head, so that way I can customize it however I like. When it's too small, it's not much to work with. It end up being too tight and it just doesn't feel right, you know. So yeah, I love the way it just sat on my head though, right off the bat. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to just use my got2b as usual. You see how big this one is? And start my installation. So this will sit perfectly on my head.
Lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you.
with how it melted. I am very, very pleased. You see, it's just always easier to work with a wig that sometimes might come off a little bigger with the lace, because it just sits perfectly. This is how it's looking. As I said before, I love the way it was easy to install. At this point, when everything is made this easy, like on a wig for me, like the lace fits perfect and everything, I feel like I can just install it in 10 minutes. The installation time takes way less. I was just gonna do a like complete pulled back look, but I'm feeling the center I use center part so much these days. It used to be side part for me. I don't know what happened, but as I said, this is a 13 by 4 lace front, so it's a moderate parting space. I'm gonna go ahead and lay it, and I'm not getting like a lot of shedding from it, just, you know, normal. You see that? You can see the lace. I'm gonna go ahead, use my wax stick and hot comb. I don't even think I have to use the concealer to further pronounce this because it's so nice. That's it for this water wave wig installation from Worldnewhair. The quality feels pretty good. I did get a little bit of shedding, even though I have a couple strands on my finger. It is curly hair, so I kind of expect that, but as long as the shedding isn't excessive, then that's okay for me. For brand new hair, it's not like overly shedding. You know, I got a couple strands here and there. Plus, remember that I did cut some of the lace off from the side. So yeah, the hair is very soft. It's very true to length, as I said before, when stretched. Yes, I definitely feel like it's 24 inches. Remember, guys, I am a shorty. I am 5'1", so you can judge based on what my height that I just tell you and your height. I guess you can judge where the hair would reach you. But yeah, obviously if you're taller, the hair would not reach you as far down like it is on me. But yeah, it was really easy to finesse the lace. It's really nicely melted. It looks good. It was plucked nicely. I love the way they plucked it. They pre-plucked it. Always happy to get pre-plucked hair because it just makes life way easier, and you can always go in and make it more graduated if that's what you want. Yeah, I just, you know, I used to like pluck each and every wig that I get, even if they're pre-plucked, and over time I learned that I didn't want to do that as much anymore, just because after a while, like even on your second install, you find that you kind of increase the shedding in that area. When you go in and pluck it even more, the shed, like it starts to shed like a lot. So, and it's not just 1 or 2 or 3 weeks that I experienced that with. So I don't like that look after a while, so that's why sometimes I just take it easy on the plucking. That's it for today's video, guys. I'm going to leave all the specifications on this gorgeous wig in my description box, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and check that out, and go ahead and get the wig if you're interested as well. It's gorgeous. Worldnewhair, shout out to you. Just want to stay tuned for more videos. Leave your thoughts, as I said before, and don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel. A new vlog is always over there, always posted at least once every week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.